Hey guys, welcome back to Kamara Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So I'm back again with another video to see as usual. And this is his dance and vocals. Basically like a 4 or 5 minute video of his best dance and vocals. From his live performance to his music video, I'm not sure what it is. And I also want to say happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday to you, and I wish you the best on your birthday. Let's go. Oh my god, I hated that dance move. You do know to move his hips, I'm gonna give him that. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Oh god, I remember that one. Ooh. Oh, he was smaller back then. And I cannot know the vibe. They just get there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. One thing about it, he sings live. Look at this beautiful sounding. What is this? The Vivo performance? Hey, hey. Yay! Feeling up that night. And it's me, let's get right. And it's me, we'll just stay right. And it's fine, but just pretend. I would say this over and over. If this group really came out while I was in like not elementary, but middle school to high school, this group would have been a very big group than what it is now. It's a very big group now, but it was been such a big group than what it is now. Like think about groups like One Direction. If this group was around back then too, but a little bit like my age group at the time, but they're doing such a good job. Such a good job. He was skinnier. Oh my god, I remember that dance move. I was like, oh my god, what is he doing? You gotta move them shoulders. Ba 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 ba. I cannot. Oh my god, I can't get over the fact how skinny, a little bit. He wasn't say skinny, but he was smaller back then. Oh my god, I can't do it. I can't do it. So as you guys can see, that was a dance and vocal videos to Joel. Happy birthday, sir. Wish you the best for your birthday. As you guys can see, you could see the improvement within the live performance now than back then. Improvement. Love it. So I want to say happy birthday to you, Joel. I wish you the best for your birthday. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comments. And I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.